Hello. Today what I'm going to do is make a very simple bush stool. This bush stool was one of the items in the June Apocabox, and I've got it right here. Right there. Weighs nothing. Very compact. I could throw it in a pocket. All I have to do is have some twine, cut myself 3 sticks, and I got myself a stool. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now this one here I harvested amongst a group, and this here was actually a branch coming off of a main stem, so it's not going to hurt. It's actually going to promote growth. But I want something live because I want to have the strength to hold my weight. These here, right around 2 inches. This one here is a little bit smaller. It's the top portion of that branch. This here is just some twine. It used to be an old guideline for a shelter that I got many years ago. It's got some stretch to it, but it should be fine for lashing these. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to round these tops so I don't have these sharp edges pressing into my material. So I just want to take off that sharp edge so it doesn't put a high pressure point on the material that I'm sitting on. I'm just over 200 pounds, so that's a lot of weight to be pressing right into that waxed canvas. So that should help right there. I'm going to do that to the other 3 and then lash them together. So normally what I like to do is use a Canadian jam knot to start my tripods. So I'm going to leave a tag end about that long and just put an overhand knot right there. So I have this length. And then what I'm going to do is make my Canadian jam knot. Right there. And now I have the start. Gonna bring it down close to see how I do this. So I have these all laid like that. They're going to be side by side. I'm going to wrap this around and just kind of tighten that up on it. I'm going to start wrapping around. I have way more material than I need, but I'm going to bring it down, actually. I'm going to bring it down good 10 inches or so. Line them back up. And now that I have them like that, I'm going to start going through. Couple times. And over to the next one. That right there should be enough, but I've got all this extra. So I'm just going to wrap it around and tie it off. Just so I don't have to cut my cordage. That's why I left that tag end, just so I have some place to tie it to. There you go. So this here is what it looks like. I've just got the excess wrapped around so I don't have to cut my twine. But now I can make my seat. It's that simple. Let's set it up. Okay, I'm going to put this in through here. lock this one on, and put the other one in, and then I can adjust it to the way it's got to be. It's all set up there now. Let's give it a try. I'll tell you, a stool like this can make all the difference after a long day out in the woods. Very cool. You can adjust this. This here is on loose sand and rocks and such, but you can adjust it how you like. But very nice little project, easy to do, and so simple to carry. I want to thank you for watching. Hope this helps with people that want to know how to set this up. And very cool little project, easy to set up. Some of the most fun of going camping is the setup and projects you do while you're out there. Thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.